Now that you are in your coaching engagement, there are a couple of milestones and tasks that we want to call out to make sure that you know the workflow of what you will be trying to accomplish. Notice that inside of your coaching engagement, there's a place to communicate with your partner. There's also goals that are associated here to help beneficiaries with defining those goals. And then also we have milestones and tasks. The very first milestone is called a chemistry session. This is where the beneficiary will be reaching out to you to schedule their first time session. Inside of that first time session, they will be checking for if the chemistry feels right. Notice you have no tasks in the chemistry session because this is on the beneficiary in order to reach out and schedule this. Also, if by chance the chemistry does not feel right, the beneficiary has the ability to end this coaching engagement and try another chemistry session. If by chance you do get off to a great start in that chemistry session, though, feel free to go ahead and start scheduling your first sessions, which is going to start with both partners reviewing that stage 2 psychometric report, scheduling session 1, which is a task on the coach's perspective. So you would be taking on this role of scheduling session 1, and then also notice that there are some due dates that are expected for the timeline of coaching session 1, coaching session 2, and coaching session 3. Also within each of these sessions, there are some tasks that are specifically designed for you to have to come in and submit. For instance, you'll notice after coaching session 2, there is a survey for you to come in and complete. That is where you will specifically be marking the attendance and the completion of this particular session. But the session for number 1 is a little bit different because the focus of session 1 is more about outlining those goals. And then finally, in coaching session 3, there is a couple additional items for you to work through. Your beneficiary will have their own tasks to be working through. Hopefully, this is enough information to have you feeling confident to be going forward with this particular beneficiary. Please reach out to the administration if you have any questions along the way.